How to turn on or turn off reminders widget pin important to top on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to your home screen. And on the home screen, go to the reminders widget home screen page. Then touch and hold. Next, tap on settings. In the widget settings, go down and then tap on pin important to top. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now if I switch it off and tap on save, you can see it will not show important messages at the top. And if I go in here and change it, so if I touch and hold on the widget, then tap on settings, then turn on pin important to top, and then tap on save, you can see now it will show important reminders at the top of the widget. So you can tap on that reminders item and tap on the star icon to make it important or unimportant. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.